My colleague Tejashri is joining us on this story. Tejashri, give us the latest updates on Aam Aadmi Party's Janta Ki Adalat.
Reporting from Jantar Mantar itself.
All right, Tejashri, can you give us the latest updates on Aam Aadmi Party's Janta Ki Adalat? Have the leaders started arriving?
Yes, absolutely. I'm reporting from Jantar Mantar itself, and in fact, let me show you the visuals so as to what is happening over here. As you have asked, that yes, the leaders have started arriving. We just saw that Sandeep Pathak, who is the General Secretary of the Aam Aadmi Party, has arrived, and in fact, the senior leaders have also started arriving over here. The party karyakartas are also present. MLAs, MPs are all present over here, and in fact, also what we are expecting is that in a short while from now, Arvind Kejriwal will also be present over here, and in fact, along with him, we are also expecting that the new Chief Minister, who was sworn in as Chief Minister yesterday, Atishi, she will also be present. She will also be sharing the stage with Arvind Kejriwal along with entire cabinet. And also what we are getting to know is that in this particular Janta Ki Adalat, we will keep you showing the visuals. In this particular Janta Ki Adalat, Arvind Kejriwal is also expected to make some big announcement. Now, what this big announcement could be? Is it regarding some policy-related matter? Is it regarding some new policy implementation? Is it regarding for the welfare of the people or something else? What's in Kejriwal's mind regarding this new announcement will certainly be clear after 12 afternoon when he will be addressing the people in Janta Ki Adalat. Remember that this will be his first address in Janta Ki Adalat after resigning from the post of Chief Minister. And in fact, what we are also being told is that he will keep on holding such kind of Janta Ki Adalat so as to make a connect with the people, because the Aam Aadmi Party has now, this could also be in fact now go with the parallel lines for campaigning for upcoming Delhi Assembly elections, and that is why several Janta Ki Adalats will be held within the national capital for the mass reach out, for the ground connect, and also to counter the anti-incumbency in the national capital. Back to you.
All right, Tejashri, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this story.